Understanding, be all about someone. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore an interesting phrase that often pops up in English conversations. Be all about someone. This expression can be a bit tricky to understand, especially for learners, but don't worry. We're here to break it down for you. Let's dive in and decode its meaning together. The phrase, be all about someone, can be used in various contexts, but it generally conveys a strong interest, enthusiasm, or admiration towards a person. It means that someone holds a significant place in your thoughts or actions. For instance, if a friend is all about their new partner, it suggests they are very focused on and enthusiastic about their relationship. Understanding how to use be all about someone in sentences is crucial for applying it correctly. Let's look at some examples. 1. Ever since they met, John has been all about Mary. This means John is very focused on or infatuated with Mary. 2. She's all about her mentor these days, trying to learn as much as she can. Here, it implies a strong admiration and focus on learning from her mentor. These examples show that being all about someone can range from romantic interest to admiration or even obsession in a broader sense. A common mistake learners make is using be all about someone in a context that suggests physical presence or location, which is incorrect. Remember, this phrase is about emotional or mental focus, not physical location. For example, I'm all about the park today would be incorrect if you're trying to say you're physically at the park. Instead, it's used to express interest or enthusiasm about a person. To fully grasp, be all about someone, it's helpful to consider similar expressions and their nuances. For example, be into someone also expresses interest but is usually less intense. Understanding these subtle differences enriches your comprehension and use of English expressions. We hope this video has clarified the meaning and use of be all about someone for you. English is full of such expressive phrases that can add color and depth to your conversations. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to explore more phrases to expand your linguistic arsenal. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.